Here we have the Autostop Eliminator device for the data link connector. It simply plugs into the port below the dash. Once installed, the device remembers when you turn Auto Start Stop off and will work to keep it off. After cycling the ignition, we see the device maintaining the off setting. We'll cycle the ignition once again to show the off setting is automatically restored. It's that easy to keep Auto Start Stop disabled on your Dodge Durango. Don't be fooled by the hacks and knockoff products. They all have negative side effects. We use quality components and a straightforward approach with no negative side effects. Also, our device doesn't make any changes to the vehicle, so you don't have to worry about issues with your vehicle warranty or lease agreements. And our low-profile design stays out of sight and out of the way, which makes it a perfect solution for those who dislike auto start-stop.